Hi guys, good morning. Once again, I'm back. Today is a beautiful day. Today is on a Wednesday. Yes, so I'm so excited for today. Today I'm not going to do any sales work. No, guess what? Guess what? Just guess what is happening today, Manze. Today is my son's birthday. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but I've decided no. Wacha nifanye shule because my child, their school, they are closing today. Yeah. So I've prepared myself. Nime brush meno as always. Nime splash. Nimeoga poa. And then so nataka kuenda. Nimefanya simple makeup. Nataka kuenda. Ni celebrate my son's birthday. So follow me up. Tuende tuangalie keki vile itakuwa, kila kitu, and then yeah, si ndio? So lazima leo kaka kitu kashike. Moto fire, moto fire, moto fire. Happy birthday to my little son. He's such a God-given gift, and I thank the Lord for blessing me with a son. Yeah, I'm from the bathroom, so don't worry. Yeah. You like my makeup today? We said simple and looking good. Bye.